Hey, it's Honest John again now. I'm just leaving Little America. I want you to listen, though. Hear that sound? Can't hear it that well. That's the sound of profit. That's the sound of a healthy economy. It's the sound of building. People building things. Right? And that's the problem with our economy. Right? We could be doing that. Obama tried to pass a jobs bill. The Republicans blocked it. Because they want our economy to stay in the toilet. Believe me, you get roads being paved, bridges being built, then the next thing you know, there's buildings being built. Right? But see, they've set up the economy so that doesn't happen. Conservatives have done that by taking the money out of the government and handing it all to the rich who ain't doing shit with it. It's harming all of us. You want to get America booming again? Get rid of conservatives.